In a modern landscape defined by subscription fatigue, consumer loyalty is increasingly driven by transparency and flexibility rather than traditional lock-in tactics. Research indicates that the shift toward digital and mobile payments significantly alters purchasing habits, often leading to increased spending compared to traditional cash transactions. Studies from China highlight that mobile payment users tend to buy more items and choose higher-priced goods, a trend particularly evident with price-elastic products. This phenomenon is linked to psychological factors, such as the reduced pain of paying and the behavioral activation system, which can lower a consumer's resistance to spending. Consequently, businesses are encouraged to adopt frictionless payment methods while proactively managing trust through clear communication to retain wary subscribers. Ultimately, the transition to cashless economies suggests that while convenience promotes growth, it also necessitates a closer look at consumer self-control and financial habits.